What's the secret to turning a goat farming venture into a profitable business? Whether you're just starting out or looking to optimize your existing farm, the right strategies can make all the difference. From selecting the perfect goat breed to effective breeding programs, nutrition, and diversification, every decision you make impacts your bottom line. In this video, we'll dive into essential tips and proven techniques that will help you maximize your profit in goat farming, ensuring your operation thrives in today's competitive agricultural market. Let's get started. Number 1. Selecting the right goat breed. Selecting the right goat breed is the foundation of a successful, profitable farm. Start by considering your farm's goals, whether you're focused on milk, meat, or fiber production. For milk, dairy breeds like Saanen, Nubian, or Alpine are known for their high yields and consistent production. If meat production is your priority, Boer goats are a great option due to their rapid growth rate and high-quality meat. For fiber, consider Angora or Cashmere goats, which produce valuable fibers like mohair and cashmere. Understanding your local market demand is crucial in choosing the right breed to match what customers want, ensuring both profitability and sustainability for your farming business. Number 2. Implementing effective breeding programs. A well-planned breeding program is essential to ensure the growth of your herd while maintaining high-quality animals. Start by selecting goats with desirable traits such as good health, disease resistance, and high productivity. This will set the foundation for a strong herd. Pay attention to genetics. Breeding high-quality animals will result in offspring with better growth rates, higher milk production, and overall superior traits. Record keeping is also crucial. Maintain detailed records of your breeding dates, parentage, offspring, and the performance of each animal. This helps you track your progress and make informed decisions for future breeding cycles. Additionally, regularly monitoring your herd's health will keep them in top condition, leading to better productivity and profitability. Number 3. Providing quality nutrition. Good nutrition is a key factor in maximizing profits from goat farming. Goats require a balanced diet, which typically includes a mix of forage, grains, and supplements. Forage like alfalfa or clover should make up the majority of their diet, providing them with the necessary fiber. Grains, such as corn and barley, can be added for energy, particularly for pregnant or lactating does. Additionally, mineral supplements help support overall health and productivity, ensuring that your goats stay healthy and strong. One of the most important aspects of nutrition is providing clean, fresh water at all times. Goats need a lot of water, especially when producing milk. So access to clean water is crucial for maintaining their health and productivity. Don't forget to adjust their diet based on factors like the climate and their stage of life to ensure they are getting everything they need. Number 4. Ensuring proper housing and fencing. Providing a safe and comfortable environment is another key factor in maintaining a profitable goat farm. A good shelter protects goats from extreme weather conditions like rain, snow, and excessive heat. Make sure your goat pens are spacious enough to accommodate their movement while keeping them secure from predators. A comfortable shelter will also reduce the risk of stress, which can affect milk production, growth rates, and overall health. Proper fencing is equally important. Goats are known for being escape artists, so you need sturdy fencing that can withstand their curious nature. Good fencing will also keep predators away from your herd. The last thing you want is for your goats to be at risk from wild animals, so invest in fencing materials that are durable and high quality. Number 5. Implementing health management practices. A healthy goat is a productive goat. Regular health management practices will ensure that your goats stay strong and disease-free. Vaccinations are essential to prevent common diseases that could spread through your herd. Develop a vaccination schedule and stick to it. It's also important to deworm your goats regularly to control internal parasites, which can have a negative effect on their growth and productivity. Additionally, hoof care is vital for goats. Regular hoof trimming is necessary to avoid lameness and mobility issues. If a goat can't walk properly, it won't be able to graze effectively, which could impact its overall health and productivity. Make sure to include health checks as part of your daily routine to ensure that each goat is in good condition. Number 6. Diversifying income streams. Diversification is a great way to increase profitability in goat farming. Instead of just selling live goats, consider offering a variety of products and services. For instance, if you're raising dairy goats, you can process the milk into cheese, yogurt, and soap to create additional revenue streams. Goat milk products are in demand, and value-added goods like cheese can significantly increase your profits. If you're raising meat goats, selling goat meat at local farmers markets or directly to consumers can be lucrative. Many people prefer goat meat because it's leaner and considered a healthier option. Another income stream could be selling the fiber produced by fiber goats. Raw fiber or finished products like yarn, scarves, and blankets can be sold at craft fairs or online. You could even consider adding an agritourism element to your farm. Offering farm tours, workshops, or farm stays could attract customers who are interested in learning about goat farming while also boosting your income. Number 7. Effective marketing strategies. In today's competitive market, effective marketing is key to standing out and attracting customers. Branding your farm with a unique identity will help people recognize your products. This could include creating a memorable logo, a catchy farm name, and a compelling story about your farm's journey. Share what makes your goat farm special and why customers should buy from you. A strong online presence is also important. Create a website and utilize social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube to connect with potential customers. Show behind-the-scenes footage of your farm, share updates on new products, and engage with your audience regularly. Building a community around your farm will help grow your customer base and increase sales. Lastly, engage with your local community by attending farmers markets, local events, and other agriculture-related activities. This allows you to meet potential buyers face-to-face and create long-lasting relationships that can lead to repeat customers. Number 8. Managing finances wisely. Managing your finances wisely is key to running a profitable goat farm. Start by creating a detailed budget that tracks expenses like feed, healthcare, housing, and labor. Understanding your costs helps you set the right pricing for your products and identify areas where you can save money. Keep accurate financial records for income and expenses to monitor profitability and ensure smooth tax filing. Reduce costs by buying feed in bulk, maintaining equipment instead of replacing it, and minimizing waste. Additionally, explore funding options like government grants or farm loans if needed. Smart financial planning ensures long-term sustainability, helping your goat farm grow steadily while maximizing profit. Number 9. Continuous learning and adaptation. The farming industry is constantly evolving, and staying informed is essential to keeping your farm profitable. Continuously educate yourself by attending workshops, reading books and articles, and networking with other goat farmers. Industry publications, online courses, and local farming groups can provide valuable insights into new farming techniques, emerging trends, and best practices. Adaptation is also key to long-term success. Be open to new technologies that can increase efficiency, such as automated milking systems, feed management tools, or GPS tracking for your herd. Adapting your practices to meet changing market demands and environmental factors will help your farm remain competitive and profitable. Maximizing profit in goat farming involves strategic planning, effective management, and continuous learning. By focusing on breed selection, nutrition, health, diversification, and marketing, you can build a profitable and sustainable operation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable tips on goat farming. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep striving for success and watch your farm grow.